Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I will not be analyzing any chart. I will be talking about Forex brokers. So as you can already see on the screen as well as on the thumbnail of the video, that in this video, we will be discussing about the problems of the Forex broker or that we face in our trading journey. Though in the past we have talked about broker from time to time, but still the most common question that I get each and every day is Forex broker. So I thought that I should make a video about it, and most importantly, I also have an announcement as well. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss about the problems, overall problems that we all face. First of all, whenever we talk about market, we always feel that market means where there's a battle between institutions and the retail traders. Means institutions are on the other side, they are always trying to hunt down the retail traders. But in reality, the institutions are not the real enemies of the retail traders, because institutions have their own target. Yes, they do manipulate the market for their own needs, but they do not manipulate the market each and every day. They work on higher time frame, they have their own targets. But in reality, our broker, okay, is the real enemy. Okay, and if you are stuck with a bad broker, then yes, your trading journey can be very, very dangerous and pathetic as well. My trading journey in Forex. Okay, in Forex, my journey started with OctaFX. I had to leave OctaFX a long time ago. Okay, because there was some deposit problem. I deposited the money was not credited in my account, and I contacted the customer support. They told me that I need to send the account statement. Okay, and it was of no help for 6 months. Okay, they asked me about my updated statement. I kept on sending, but ultimately I did not get my money. And this is the main reason I never talked about OctaFX in this channel. Okay, but whenever people ask me about Xness, I always tell people that undoubtedly Xness is a good broker. From safety point of view, if you look at the licenses, you will see that Xness have all the necessary regulations, and perhaps one of the best broker. Okay, if we take out a list, then Exodus is really a good broker. But problem with Exodus, in especially these days, is that probably you have also seen that whenever you place an order, especially at the time of news or when the market is very volatile, you will see that your stop loss gets hit easily. Or at the time of volatility, your order is not getting executed at the level, and there is always a problem of slippage. And there are some other issues also, okay, but I do not want to discuss about them because maybe I will face some legal problems because I do not have any concrete proofs again as Xness. But yes, as a trader, I have faced some problems that we have discussed in our Instagram live sessions, because in live session we discuss many things. Anyways, okay, then couple of days ago I talked about Forex for you. Okay, the Forex for you, the reason was, okay, though it's a very not a very known name in comparison to Xness or OctaFX, but I talked to the authorities. They assured me that they will be providing good service. But yes, Forex for you, I won't say that it's a bad broker. Forex for you is a good broker for Indians, but yes, there are some issues as well. XM, okay, undoubtedly very reputed broker, extremely good broker. It doesn't matter whether you have your account in XM, IC market, HF markets, Moneta markets, doesn't matter. Okay, but the problem with all our retail traders is that, okay, the picture is not clear. If the broker is doing B book also, we are not aware of it. And those who are trading with unregulated brokers, okay, your condition may be very dangerous. Okay, just go to the google.com, and okay, just go to google.com and type wikifx. Let me show you. And if there is no problem of safety, then the problem is sometimes with the customer support, because if there is a problem, you need to contact the chat support. In case of serious issues, you do not get the required support that you want. You need to mail them and you get a reply after 2 to 3 days. So it's a long process. And sometimes there is also a problem with the high spread as well. So there is one or the other problem always. And as a trader also, I have faced all these problems for all these years, and to solve all the problems at once, I am coming up with a solution. Not only I, actually, we are coming up with a solution, and the solution is our own broker house. Soon I will be announcing the name. One thing I can assure you that it may not be a big name like XM, XNES, IC Market, but yes, you will get the transparency that we all deserve as a trader. You may have a question in your mind that Avilash, how can I be sure that you are not running B book against us? Okay, at any point you can ask the company that, okay, I want to see where my order is placed. Okay, you will be getting the information how the trade was passed through the different LPs and to the market. Regarding deposit and withdrawal, also you will get the complete transparency. You will get the complete information how your fund will be coming to you from the World Bank. After I'm back from my vacation, we will be having a complete thorough discussion with the owners of the company where they will be explaining how they will be maintaining the transparency so that you get the assurity that your funds are safe, your broker is not manipulating against you, so that you get the satisfaction of your mind. And I came up with this solution because after trading for almost 5 years in Forex and overall trading for more than 10 years, okay, I have worked with multiple brokers almost. I have worked with all the reputed brokers around the world, but there is always a problem or the other. So that I thought that if people trust me, then also I should keep the trust. So that's why I have closed all my accounts elsewhere. And I thought that it's high time to give a proper solution. Because of legal problems, we won't be able to provide service to many countries like USA and India. Then what is the solution for Indians then? Indians, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, you need to be very, very careful, but because things have changed drastically in India. Because the problem is with the deposit and withdrawal in most of the cases. In India, okay, the problem is that whenever we deposit money, okay, we deposit money to the third party, and the third party sends the money to the broker. Okay, so we are not directly having any transaction with the broker. As a result, there is no transparency on the transaction. In many cases, okay, especially in case of withdrawals, I'll say that these days there is a problem that whenever you ask for a withdrawal from the broker sends the money to the third party merchants, and the third party merchants are sometimes involved in many online frauds or scams. And when the money hits your account, okay, the cybercrime thinks that you are also involved in online scams or frauds, so they block your or freeze your bank account as well. Probably you have heard about P2P freezing, but nowadays, okay, bank account freezing has also become very common because of withdrawals. Maybe you are innocent, but cybercrime doesn't think that way. Cybercrime thinks that, okay, this guy or this person is receiving money from the online scam or online fraud, so he must be a partner. So to unfreeze your bank account, it's a long process. And in case of deposit also, we cannot deposit money directly on a broker account, so we need to deposit money on the third party. So the problem is that sometimes the third parties are frauds and they do not send the money to the broker. Maybe the broker doesn't know also that the client deposited the money. Once you will send the uh, account statement to the broker will see that okay, the money has been sent, but the third party will say, no, I have not received the money. How can I give it to you? Okay. So the third parties are very, very dangerous in the middle. Recently in Forex for you, I saw this type of case where an innocent person, okay, deposited 5 lakh rupees, okay, but the third party played in between. Okay. So things are very critical in case of India. So my dear friends, the best solution at present is, okay, try to deposit with crypto USDT TRC20 and try to get withdrawal also from crypto TRC20. Once the USDT will come to you in your crypto wallet, sorry, you must be wondering that how to get the money in your bank account. Okay, once you receive the money in your TRC20, sorry, in your Binance or any crypto wallet. Nowadays, I'm using Trust Wallet. So try to look for a reliable source, okay, who will be providing you cash or bank deposit for USDT TRC20. Okay, if you do not have any such source, then you can look for Binance P2P, but Binance P2P are also full of scams these days. If you fail to find one, contact me. I will be giving you solutions. I will be giving you contacts, okay, who will be helping you the transaction process. But bank deposit and withdrawal have become very risky, so try to go with crypto. And these days, okay, these days people usually know a lot of reliable persons, okay, who does the P2P transactions. You try to talk to them, okay, get the confirmation that they are not involved in any such frauds and online activities. That is the best solution. Okay. And my dear Indian brothers and sisters, please check whether your forex broker is regulated or not. Having a regulation is very important for your safety, for the safety of your hard-earned money. It doesn't matter, okay, if you know a person, okay, who is talking that this broker is very good, he will be providing all necessary solutions, and no, it doesn't matter. Having a regulation is the most important. Maybe the your point of contact will just shut down his mobile or turn off his mobile and will vanish one day. He won't be able to take the withdrawal, isn't it? In India, we have seen all these cases. Okay, recently also a brokers, probably Forex Opulence is not providing or giving withdrawals. Especially in Maharashtra, there are lots of unregulated brokers, okay, that who are operating and who are scamming people. Please be careful.